Hello, people. I'm Timothy, and I am on my Mr. Granahan's YouTube channel today. You guys are watching my board game I made, and this is my friends and I playing it. It's at Michigan. The racetrack is Michigan Motor Speedway, and there's these 1 car length to 3 car length cards where you move up one square. If you change a lane, it's 1 car length, because technically it is a change of car length. So that's space. There's a blow an engine cards and blow a tire cards where you have to wait around and go to pit road when you come by it, which is off of turn 4. And you go down pit road, you have to go to the specific stall you have to be at, and you have to wait for like a specific car. Like, for example, one of the cars has, if you blow an engine, you have to wait for the leader to reach the back stretch. That's basically what happens. There's this other one that's tow truck, and it's where you immediately go to pit road and you have to like wait, I think, for like the leader to reach turn 1 or something. I forgot. But originally there's 5 laps, but we made it 3 laps because we didn't want it to take it too long. So as you see, the black car won the race, by the way, and which is my friend Isaac. Lucas was my other friend that raced with me, or did the game with me. He was the red car, I was the blue car. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace. Okay, guys, so this is just a little quick thing about the cars. This one that my friend Isaac won with in the video is a YouTube car. It says YT, and then it has the number 39, and then it has YouTube on this side. This one I got mixed up with this one in the printing, because this one says, this green one that we didn't use in the video because we only had 3 players. As you can see, this is Red Bull. So this one is supposed to be this one, and this one's Minecraft. So they got mixed up, but it's fine. As you can see, also I made these black tires under it with Sharpie. And the last car that I played with was Sony. A Sony car. I got Sony on the side, and I don't even think I even put Sony in the front. I just put it on the side. Yeah, just put it on the side. It's so cool though. And this is my friend Lucas, who finished second with the Minecraft red car. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Shout out to my teacher, Mr. Granahan, for letting me do a video of this for his YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys all later.